Hello High Tech Legion, Steve here, SM Duff. Today we're going to be looking at the Noctua NF-F12 PWM fan. It's pulse width modulation. This is one of Noctua's first forays into a PWM controlled fan. The front of the box here we have a little clear acrylic window showing the fan, model number, voltage, wattage, that sort of thing. If we flip around to the back, we have a multiple languages here talking about the fan itself. And if we open up the little booklet style backing on the case, goes through a few different things, the impeller, the stepped inlet design, the SSO2 bearing, the focused airflow system, how the fan actually works. We open it up again. It talks about the metal bearing shell, varying angular distance of vortex controlled notches, integrated anti-vibration pads, the custom designed PWM IC with SCD, which is a smooth communication drive. This is really what Noctua has changed with PWM controlled fans here, making them quieter. And then a little more breakdown of what's going on in the fan itself. So let's open this up and take a look at what Noctua has here. There is the packaging. Taking a look at the packaging itself, it comes in a plastic clamshell. Off the top here, you have 4 of these anti-vibrational dampener mounting clips right there. You have some extra cables. Here we have an extension cable, 4-pin male and female ends. You have a Y splitter connector. And you have the low noise adapter. And what's inside here is a resistor, so it cuts down the voltage and it slows the fan down, making it even quieter. And taking a look at the fan itself, we've got 4 screws as well. Taking a look at the fan itself, it has rubber coating on the corners, so that helps with any vibration. And looking at the back of the fan, the little notches here are what Noctua calls the varying angular distance and vortex control notches, and it just breaks up the air frequencies as it's being pushed through the fan itself. If you look at here, little arrows, it shows you the way the fan spins and the direction of airflow through it. If we can get a good enough close-up, but on the inside here, the frame, there's a bunch of little divots which breaks up the airflow as well, which makes the fan blow more of a constant airflow. It's not just smooth, it goes in and goes out. It breaks up the airflow so you get as much penetration as possible over whatever you're cooling, radiator for instance, or a heat sink. This is the stop notch, the stepped notch breakdown here, which breaks up the air as well as it goes into the fan impeller, giving a easier, the air breaks down easier, and it's distributed evenly as the blade spins. You can see here that it is a 12 volt, 0.6 watt, 0.05 amp fan. It is a 4-pin design for PWM control. And here in the center is the metal bearing shell. Anyways, let's hook this up, do some testing on it, and see how it fares.